Hey, look what I got in the mail today. I'm so excited to finally get this. I've been waiting so long for it. Sometimes my mail runs a little slow, and things in the past few weeks, or actually the last year or so, have been really changed a lot in my area for as far as like the post offices go and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm super psyched to get this. And so let me open it up so y'all can see what I got. Bear with me. From doTERRA, Wellness Advocate. My wellness advocate's name is Maxwell Ward. He's really awesome. Let's see if I can get this open without too much trouble. Wow. You really got this together great. I'm glad you did so nothing leaked, because I was really worried about that. That's awesome. Thank you for being so careful, Maxwell. Now we can just get it open. I should have brought my scissors, huh? God, I'm slacking. Here we go. This is called doTERRA Deep Blue Rub. Let's get the rest out before, oh gosh, sorry, they're popping now. They're making a lot of noise. Oh geez, sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow, I smell peppermint. Whew. Okay, let me pick this back up. Lordy. What a mess, y'all. Okay, so we've got, this is called Breathe. There's Breathe on there. I don't know if you can see what it says. This is peppermint. Oh, I could smell that one. Wow, that smells really good. Here's the lemon. And then we have Digest Zen, I think it says. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I hope I am. I hate to mangle something. And then lavender. Oh, awesome. I love lavender. Okay, so the Deep Blue Rub, I'm not exactly sure what it is. It says Deep Blue Rub is a rich cream infused with doTERRA's Deep Blue Soothing Blend, which includes certified, oh gosh, I know what these are supposed to, therapeutic grade, essential oils of wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, blue tansy, blue chamomile, helichrysum, and, God, I'm mangling that, osmanthus, and formulated with a proprietary blend of natural plant extracts and other powerful ingredients. It provides targeted comfort to tired and sore joints and muscles. Oh, see, now I thought, when I heard about this, I thought this was sort of like a, for lack of a better term, and I hate to say it and give them any kind of like, advertising, but I thought Deep Blue Rub was going to be something for like breathing, where you could use it on your chest, sort of like a Vicks Vapor Rub. Again, I hate giving Vicks any kind of credit, but I have found out that this is more like a muscle rub for when you have like achy, painy joints and muscles and stuff. And I've heard this is great. And I don't know if you're familiar with the fact that doTERRA, you won't find this brand in the grocery store or even probably in your local health food store. This is specifically sold by an independent contractor, which I think is really interesting because this product, this particular brand, it's very popular and it's very well known. And that's not easy to do when you're doing it by word of mouth or by independent contractor. You're not really doing any advertising. You're not selling in stores. So I think there's a lot to be said for the fact that these are so well known and a lot of people, think very highly of them. I'm excited to get into these, and of course, if you're interested, you can get in touch with Maxwell. Again, like I said, his name is Maxwell Ward, and he's on Facebook. If you're interested in, getting in touch with him, maybe getting some samples for yourself and learning more about these, because, they can be used for so many different things, and they're just great. I mean, I've used a lot of different essential oils throughout my life, and they've helped me in a myriad of ways. I mean, overcoming things that even doctors couldn't seem to take care of. So, there is a lot to be said for that. Anyway, my timer's blinking, so I'm going to have to go. But thanks for watching. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I hope you check this out. Bye-bye.